all the animals do not exhibit same kind of movements. Different animals exhibit different kinds of movements. For example, in human beings, we can see the walking movement and running movement. In case of snakes, we see slithering movement or crawling movement. In case of frogs, we see hopping movement. So, different animals exhibit different kinds of locomotion, different kinds of movement. Like human beings walk and run, snakes slither and crawl, frogs hop. And if we see birds, what movement do we see? We can see flying movement. So, human beings walking and running, snakes slithering and crawling, coming to frogs, hopping movement, and in birds, what movement can we see? We can see flying movement. They fly. But fishes and some other aquatic animals swim. So we can see swimming movement in them. So we can see various kinds of locomotion in various animals. So now let us see movements in animals. While doing physical exercise, we move our body parts in different ways. We lift and bend our legs, hands, and other body parts. We can also rotate some of our body parts and we are able to move this way. How are these responsible? How are we able to move these body parts? Let us see what are the structures responsible for these movements. All these movements are done by certain parts of our body which are located beneath or under the skin. We cannot see these parts directly, but we can feel them, or we can sense them, or we can get a sense of them under our skin. So, can you guess the names of these body parts? These body parts are muscles and bones. So we can perform different types of movements with the help of muscles and bones. They are situated inside the body, but we cannot see them outside. So let us see how these bones and muscles help in body movements, especially human body and its movements.